Good evening. First and foremost, we want to thank you, Lord, for blessing us with another day. Lord, bless us with insight, Lord, and the ability and the applications to be able to use these skills and tools that you gave us to further your church. Lord, we give you all the glory, the honor, and praise. Amen. All right. So today is Wednesday. So I'm going to update you guys on what was going on the market today. So let's go ahead and look at the spy. All right. So this morning, actually, I'm gonna start with last night. So around 10:30, 11-ish, that's when the market, pre-market actually opens up in Hawaii time. So yesterday at the close, I had got a 750 call about just being transparent. I thought we was gonna start reaching back up. I looked at it at 10 last night. I seen these candles, so I went back to sleep. So I woke up, got up this morning, got ready for work. I started seeing when we opened up, we went down. So I started looking at other things. I had got into another put around here, spy put that day, but it was like $30. So I left it alone. But what I did notice is Nvidia, as you can see, when I seen it, it was up $2. It was around here. And remember, these are 15-minute candles, 15 minute, 15 minute, 15 minute. So it's around here, and I got a little FOMO, so I grabbed a $200 call to expire today. And it cost me $90 and it ran up. I sold it for like 230, 240, something like that. So that was a good 100 and some change. $130, 150 that I had made today. But that was NVIDIA. So that was my day. I am still in the SPY 750 call. So as you can see, we're coming back. We're at 745. We closed yesterday around 747. It's saying overnight that we're already at 747 back up here. That's what it's saying. We're gonna have some faith that we can get back up to 750. That way I can at least make some money on that. But the account. So here we go. Let's check out the account. And as you can see, there's that 750 call. If we look at it, it expires on Friday. Cost me exactly $2, which is $200, right? Right now, it's $102. So I lost $98. Yep, 98 loss. I'm down on this call. Hopefully it can come back. All right. We got 20,000 people in it. I'm gonna go into that a little bit further, the open interest. There's a lot of other things that freezes the data and cameras and all of that. But I don't want to, that's a whole nother class that I'll get into. But back to today's. So a lot of people have been asking me, how do I get in? Can I follow what you're doing? It's hard to follow what I'm doing on a daily basis because I'm getting in and out and doing stuff like right then and there. Prices change within seconds. So what I get, by the time I put in the chat, it'll be a whole different price or something. But I can give you guys some plays that I've been looking at. So every now and then I'll just go look at some stuff. And I actually have, here we go. I keep a OneNote for those issues. I have a whole bunch of stuff on this one. So this is for today. So let's go ahead and make this one different. So I can notice it. Calendar is on. Okay. So as I'm in here for today, what I noticed, I was going down the list, my list, Palantir, right? Let's go to the one daily chart, right? Palantir still a great price. It's at 132, 133 overnight. It has a high of $207. I think I went over this last time. Just chart the high to where we at right now. You got a 36% decline in the stock. So anything 20% over, you know me, I'm all for the buying. It might be a little bit of pricey on the option side, but on the share side, you can grab a share for 133 right now. I will leave Microsoft alone. It's going to become expensive. They're just asking me about cheaper plays. SoFi. Everybody that knows me knows I preach SoFi. I love this company. I own shares and options all over the place. If you're looking to get into the stock market, I would recommend you do research on what this company is, what they do, their growth, their earnings, revenue, all of that. But I think this is a great stock. It's on $17 and it's on my list. It's on my list. I had a $30 strike, but I'm gonna show you guys what I found. So if you're looking for a play, you got a couple $100. Let's look at the stock again. SoFi, right? It's currently at 17. Here's the $20. I think $20 is a resistance level, if you ask me. Yeah, around there, some kind of resistance. Stock has a high of $32. It is currently July. So you can wait. This is called the RSI, relative strength. Right? This tells you if it's overbought up top or oversold. I like to buy when we're down here on this bottom underneath speaking go up. You notice, look, at the bottom, if you go straight up, this is the bottom. Right after that, it went up. Boom. Went up to $19 from 15. But so far, you come into Robinhood, trade options. Let's look at 2027. So the $20 strike, which is you betting that it'll go to $20 by January 15, 2027. This costs you $277. This is a 6-month call. And people ask me, what do you look at when you're looking at the call? I look at this, the open interest. This tells me how many people are playing this. Yes, 71,000 people in here. That's ridiculous. And people are like, well, why don't you do this one? Well, look, we got 2,000 people. They don't like this one. They don't like this one that much either, but they love that $20. I bet you the $30 might have one also. It's almost 70,000 in there too. 87 cents. These are these are really cheap long-term options. I would even go as far as January 2028. Now, if you really want to be comfortable and say 30,000 people sitting in this, $555. The perfect one. Another one that I found. I think I told some other people about this one. Netflix. Netflix is currently trading as a high of 135. It is currently trading 43% from its high, which is a crazy discount. Once again, I'm over here to SoFi. If you trust Netflix and believe in the stock, they shouldn't do that. I love Netflix, and I'm thinking about jumping in this because these are some really cheap ones. Trade options. Taking out same thing, January 2027. I had liked a $90 strike. 27 people, 27,000. I think there's another one I seen that is crazy. It's gonna be kind of expensive. This one, $880 strike. Maybe not that. And look at me, I'm just looking at how many people are in these. I think the $100 one had a lot, 47,000, about $300, $100 strike. So what you're doing is you're betting on where you think this price is gonna be way over here. Do you think it's going to reach up there? I like the $90 right there. Okay, either way, those are a couple plays that I have found. And that's what I was doing this week so far. You want to keep an eye on the market, see where we're going tomorrow. I think we have an FOC meeting coming up also. I don't know if this is right. This is showing that we're at 7 foot. I hope that's right. We shall see in the morning. Uh, easy. I'll check it in, probably throw a text out there, show y'all where we at in the morning, see where things are going. At the end of the week, I'll give y'all some updates. And as you can see, like I showed y'all, I'm still in that XLK. It actually came down to $1,000. If you remember, I paid 12, almost 1,300 for it. Average cost 12.75. It's at 11.20, 155. But I have till January 2027. Now, come over here, look up XLK. Prime 182. I'm gonna be back to where I was. Told you guys it likes to pop out. We're in that triangle. That's it for today. Hope you enjoyed it. See you guys on the next one at the end of the week. God bless.